obstruction or retaliation.
Oh, by the way, lawyers, especially private, the ones doing. There is some office furniture that you can get for a great deal that is literally brand new. Let me know if you're interested. Make you do even better job as a lawyer by looking at this.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm to tell the truth and then the truth of you got.
There's a
You have your right thumb.
office, medical office
Place it flat right here.
that has sold, and they just got new furniture. And the buyer already has furniture, so they're trying to, I mean, it's wrapped. There are some beautiful desks that are wrapped up in the
Still, yeah.
and it's going to be for, you can get a great deal.
Pennies on a dollar.
And
I may come talk to you later.
Yeah.
This afternoon. Well,
Right, you can issue some.
Yes, yes.
Okay, Charles Kyles?
Yes.
That's you, sir? You were here with Mr. West, your attorney, and the state's attorney. What are we going to do? We've got two cases. He's going to be pleading to
The obstruction and retaliation.
1758.
Ek pal ka gussa or zindagi bar ka faisla. Ya courtroom surf kanun ka nai. Insaniat kaim in bihai.
7-3 is a dismissal.
Okay, there's just two. 1973 to be dismissed.
Yes.
So in 1756, does the defendant waive a formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes,
We
please.
just go on to paragraph 1. There's a second paragraph that enhances. Is it a third-degree felony?
It's up to the state. I mean,
Well, what's the deal? The state says.
It's just all, we don't need count two, Joe.
Just on
That works.
just on paragraph 1, Your Honor.
Okay, this was been checked off, second degree.
we need to go to third, right? Yeah.
That's what everyone wants to do.
Good for us.
All right. The secret is in the sauce and
Judge Kulaf surfer was nahiot. Wegs and dagi kamor betel deed hain. Surfik guilty can essi sab kuch betel jada high.
second and first, but that's what happens if his probation is revoked. It makes all the difference.
Right.
But
Right.
y'all are agreeing for 10?
Oh, I'm happy with that.
Third degree
That's
felony?
okay with that. I'm okay with that.
All right. Then we'll proceed. He waives formal reading of the indictment. We can proceed summary in paragraph 1.
Yes, Your Honor.
Paragraph 1, sir, alleges that on or about June 18th, 2024, in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed the third-degree felony of obstruction or retaliation. And that is intentionally or knowingly threatening to harm a peace officer in retaliation for their status and acts as a public servant. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, sir.
And this is a third-degree felony, and you are Chaz Wayne Kyles.
Yes, sir.
A third-degree felony means if convicted, you face no less than 2, no more than 10 years confinement.
Justice Kabi and Nai Hodi. BAS Kabi Dil or Dimag Kabich Kamash Jang Laddie High.
Pleading guilty placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation for 10 years, and another case would be dismissed. 1973. Is this your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this, sir, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to this? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Are you pleading guilty voluntarily? That is on your own free will and because you are guilty.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to show you here what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign on this document, understand it, discuss it with your attorney, or the contents are incorrect?
Yes.
State's Exhibit 1 tendered into evidence.
No objection.
Without objection admitted. Among other things, this states you are mentally competent to enter your guilty plea. It's freely and voluntarily made.
10 Saw keep probation surf Saza Nai. Ek Malkahai. Apni Ru or Galti Dano Keo Sudharn Ka.
Giving up your rights to a jury trial and the rights to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You were totally satisfied with the representation provided by Mr. West, your attorney. All of this is true, so help you God, it states.
Yes, sir.
State's Exhibit 1 is part of the record for all purposes. Is a pre-sentence report what?
Please, Your Honor, yes.
Sir, I will follow this agreement if nothing further. I will find you are pleading guilty voluntarily. You're mentally competent to do so. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading guilty, even though there's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 admitted here that would find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this third-degree felony. I am instead deferring or postponing any finding of guilt so long as you follow these terms and conditions of probation we're going to be dealing with here, and you will be seeing the probation office and going over with these and then signing, promising as a contract you will follow these terms and conditions of probation. Most of these are the same things I have to follow without having an indictment over my head. So it's not something that's going to be impossible. Do the right thing. You will be placed on deferred or unadjudicated probation for 10 years. If you fail, your probation could be revoked. You could then be found guilty and sentenced up to 10 years in prison, which you don't want. So fix this. You do well. It can be shortened to 1/3. 1/3, I could dismiss this, which is 3 1/3 years. You almost see the finish line from here. You do. All right, I've signed the documents. Here's the handing to the probation office. You're going to promise to do well on this?
Yes, sir.
Good for you. You know? Part of this plea agreement, the case will be dismissed. Yes, sir.
Should be on the tablet, Judge.
Well, it's not all the time.
Ja Courtroom kadiwer in any sabdekahai, germ, afsos, or enkain jo kamosi esi mafi mandi hain.